Personal social characteristics. These are also the factors which bring a change in the school environment and are a reason to have students' achievement better or less. As pointed out by Getzel and Jackson, 1963, and as the study of Haruna Jatoi takes place, and it is mentioned in her study, some personal social characteristics were different for men and women teachers, with men generally being more businesslike, less friendly, and responsible. So this has been pointed out by Getzel and Jackson in 1963. Things might be different because it's been more than 30 years that this has been said. But this has been then recorded in the study of Haruna Jatoi, who says that social characteristics were different in men teachers than the women teachers, with men generally being more businesslike, less friendly, and less responsible. So, because it is considered that male teachers, they would be more into business rather than teaching, and they would tend to be less friendly because of their natures. They tend to be less frank with the students and less caring and less friendly than the women teachers if it is compared. So, according to this study, it has been compared that the female teachers tend to be more friendly, more responsible, and more caring, whereas the male teachers, they tend to be more towards business, that is, being matter of fact people, just teaching and not thinking beyond that, or not really taking care of the emotions of the students. However, this is one opinion which has been discussed by Haruna Jatoi in her study of gender of teachers and teaching practices in Pakistani schools. So this could be one opinion which has been studied by this particular social scientist, and by looking at the gender, she has made this opinion out of the study that she has done, that it is possible that the male teachers, they take less interest in other issues that happen in the school. For example, the school environment could be less uh, for a cause of interest for the male teachers, whereas for the female teachers, the school environment would be a reason for which they think that the students' learning is being affected. Similarly, the responsibility level is considered to be higher in female teachers, according to this study of gender of teachers and teaching practices in Pakistani schools. The situations can be flexible and there can be exceptions there. But as it is said that things which are based on the study and observations are actually tested in certain groups, and probably uh, teaching at a higher level would be more suitable for the male teachers because there the emotions and the environment of the institution is less influenced on the students, and the achievement of the students is based more on their independent learning. So, in that case, there can be an opinion that the female teachers would be more suitable to be teaching the primary school children or the middle school children because emotions and concerns and environment is more influential at that age. Whereas at a higher level, like secondary and college and university level, it has to be more concentrated on the knowledge and implementation of the knowledge, and also the students are more independent. So probably the male teachers at that level would be more helpful because they will be less emotional and more towards getting that knowledge implemented. So therefore, all these studies lead us to think what is better in the Pakistani context for the school children at primary level and what is better for the school children at secondary level and the college level, and how things are going to prove better, resulting in good and positive results of achievement and of the problems that have been solved in education system.